Hi everyone, time for a trip to the fairground. Ready to go? Let's go. Suzie and Sam walked into the fairground. Look at all those bright colours and listen to those sounds. Look at all those bright colours and listen to those sounds. What's that smell? Said Sam as they walked along. He went straight over to the first stall to buy the candy floss. That smells good, he said. That smells good. As they carried on, an attendant called out, "Hook-a-duck and win a prize." Where's our duck? Ready? Hook-a-duck and win a prize. The dodgems were next. "I'll be the driver," said Sam. "But you can't drive," said Suzie. "Watch me," he said, and he took hold of the wheel. Beep, beep. He took hold of the wheel. Beep, beep. As they got off, Suzie spotted the ghost train. "Dare we?" she said. "Of course," said Sam. "But have we got enough money?" 1, 2, 3 pound coins. We've got enough. Let's count again. Together. 1, 2, 3 pound coins. They climbed on board and the door to the ride squeaked open and closed. Should we do that again? Open and closed. Inside, it was very dark and spooky. Very dark and spooky. With spiders' webs. With spiders' webs. With spiders' webs. And what's that? What's that? That's disgusting. That's disgusting. Suddenly the ride was over. Phew. Time for us to go home. But it's been a good day. It's been a good day. And off they went, hand in hand. Excellent, guys. That's the fairground story. See you soon for another one.